What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Today we are going to do the hashtag skate palette challenge. Now, skate palettes have been around for a long time, but thanks to Jiggy Dust on Instagram, there's now a skate palette challenge, and it's trending right now. So today we're going to make our own skate palette. Now, I put up a poll for you guys the other day, and you chose yellow. So we're going to do the ultimate skate palette in yellow. Here we go. Okay, so it's time to go on the hunt for some yellow things. I've got a planner. Let's see, where can I go? A yellow rock. Why, look what it is. A yellow pillow. Yellow sunnies. Scavenging through the house, looking for some yellow stuff. Oh, guess what I found? I found my desk. And at my desk, there's lots of yellow pens. Chloe, are you yellow? No. Going on a treasure hunt. X marks the spot. Oh, yeah. Some yellow skates. Oh, perfect. A lemon. And a smaller lemon. Oh, look. A yellow candle. Oh, wait. Something I missed. Yellow post-it notes. I feel like I should look in here. Yellow. Yellow. Nope. Oh, wait. Sheets? Is that weird? I feel like that's weird. I'm gonna put it. Yeah. Yellow. Alright, we got a flower. Yellow. I think it is. That's yellow. So I think I might have found all the yellow things that I own. Slash also that Shove owns. Let's see if I can find any last things. Oh wait, I spied a candle. Those are yellow too. Heck yeah. Hey babe, you ready to film our banana, yellow, lemon, wonderful goodness, hashtag skate palette episode? Oh, I'm ready. Are you ready? Woo! Okay, see you soon. I have a vision. Okay, so I've collected all of the yellow things that I could find from everywhere in our house, and we've got quite a plethora of different items. My favorite, most unique thing that we have is the cornstarch, and my favorite, most beautiful thing that we have, I think, is this like skate wheel bag. And then my favorite thing that's totally not mine, but I stole it from my girlfriend, is this banana milk bag. So let's start arranging. There's really no rules to this. It's just make it really aesthetically pleasing. So let's go.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work.
Start with the skates, because that's definitely like the most important part, is that you're matching all of whatever you have to your skates. So that's the whole basis of the skate palette challenge. Hence the word skate palette. I definitely didn't know how to spell the word palette before now, so thank you, Jiggy, for teaching me how to spell.
The clock and rewind, go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me.
That does look good like that. Okay, so I need something cute to go right here. I need something to go right here. And I need something to finish up right there. No, don't walk through it. Bowie, no. Oh, that's cute. I could have a banana over here. And that could be like. Sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. Okay, so I had a thought, and it was that I could put little banana pieces. Oh, this is so cute. It looks so good. Yes. Banana pieces. Oh, no. No, I don't have the too much gene. Yes, I do. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I just need something for right there and something for right there. And then I think I'm done. Oh yeah, that's cute. We need a yellow book. Are any of these books yellow? Oh wait. Yeah, a yellow book. Perfect. Oh, that's cute. Okay, now literally one thing and then we're done. Oh, it's perfect.
Wish that would have been in frame.
Oh my gosh, she's done! Oh, it looks so good! Yeah! Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I put out new videos every Tuesday and I go live every Sunday. I hope that you enjoyed looking at this aesthetic yellow skate palette. You should do your own and show me the pictures. And for all your roller skating needs from helmet to toe stop, go to planetrollerskate.shop. And until next time, later skaters. They call me Mellow Yellow.